Hello guys, myself Ishwar Sai Charan. In this video, I am going to explain the rules and regulations of an interesting sport that is badminton. It is a sport which all the people attract. Without wasting our time, let's get into our video. Now I am going to say the rules and regulations of badminton. In a single rally, there will be two players playing with each other on opposite sides of the court. One of the important rules of badminton is about the serve. The serve should always be done underarm and below the server's waist. An overarm serve is against the basic rules of badminton and would be considered as a fault. At the start of the game, the score will be as 0-0. You cannot randomly choose your side as your wish. This is the one of the basic badminton rules which needs to be followed for any rally. When the server scores is even, the server serves from the right service court. When the server serves score is odd, the server serves from the left service court. If the server wins a rally, the server gets a point and then serves again from the alternative side. If the receiver wins a rally, the receiver scores a point and becomes the new server. The server starts from the appropriate side, left if their score is odd, and the right if their score is even. According to the rules and regulations of the badminton for singles, a play-by-play tournament format is followed everywhere, wherein all players will be paired with an opponent. For the first round matches, these players will have 1 week to play their matches before advancing to the next round of the tournament. Now I am going to explain about the scoring system in the badminton. When the server wins the game, a point is scored and also the serve is retained. When the receiver wins the rally, they earn the right to serve. However, the ability to gain a point or lose a point will depend on the set of badminton rules and regulations. A match consists of best of 3 games to 21 points. At 20 all, the server which gains a 2-point lead first will win the game. At 29 all, the side scoring the 30th point first wins the game. A server in a new game will be the winner of the previous one, and every time there is a serve, there will be a point scored. Unless that point is replayed, a 2-minute break is allowed between each game. A 60-second break can be taken when the leading scores reaches 11 points. In official BWF play, the receiver scores points. However, only the server can earn points while playing classic rules of badminton. Now I am going to explain how the faults are done in the badminton. In the official games of BWF, faults and errors result in a point for your opponent and you must surrender the serve to them. A major fault as listed in the badminton rules and regulations for the singles is missing the shuttle while swinging on the serve. If you hit the shuttle but it passes underneath the net, it can be counted as a fault. Also, when you hit the shuttle out of bands, it is a major fault as per the rules of badminton. Lastly, touching shuttle with your body or clothing is frowned upon amongst the basic rules of badminton. And these are the basic rules of badminton. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.